Hello and welcome to Daily Achiever Video 65. I'm your host, Malcolm Gallagher. The theme this week has been Sell More, and today's video, the final one of the week, is how to improve your sales by reducing options. So welcome, and here's a question. Would you like to increase your sales by 20% to 30% with exactly the same amount of customers you already have? Is the answer yes? Well, this video will help you think about improving your sales by reducing customer options. You'll also probably reduce the risk of complaints or losing customers. Let's take a restaurant as an example. Look at the website page. Apart from it looking too messy, there's just too many options for the customer to consider, too many decisions to make. Here's something that restaurant could consider for their menus. Remove 30% of the food and drink offerings on the menu. Create 5 different bundled value offers. Increase the price of the value offer by 30%. Put a big red starburst next to 2 of the offers, one to say voted number 1 in value by our customers and the other to say today's special. Stock up on the ingredients for the 2 value offers, decrease stock on the others. So, why may this idea work? Quite simply, confused minds always say no. And it's made worse by the ferocity of the storm of information. Narrow the options to help customers make decisions. Position best offers as best value, top seller, most popular choice. Focus on only 1 or 2 offers. Creating different price points makes one price an obvious choice. So your action. Help them not to have to think too hard. Be their shelter from the storm of information. And one caution, keep monitoring and measuring feedback. Click on the arrow to go to my platform bizvision.co.uk and sign up for free membership library. Just click the arrow, it will take you there. Plus you'll get access to my 4 support channels, including Sales Plus, along with blogs, videos and podcasts. So just click to go there now.